as you think about talking to your loved one about assisted living, one of the things I think it's really important to remember is that although this is a huge family decision, and often you have lots of siblings and maybe, brothers and sisters that have to talk about this, but this is really the place your loved one's going to go to live. And it may be the place that they live for the rest of their lives. And so, I think many families find it uncomfortable to talk to their loved one. Their loved one maybe necessarily is having a hard time leaving their independent home. Maybe that's the home that they raised their children in. And so it's easier to just go and look at all the facilities with maybe your brothers and sisters, talk to the nurses and various people in the hospital, and the last person they go and talk to is their loved one who's going to live there. And what I would really encourage you to do is flip that process. It really is important that you start with your loved one. And the more you exclude them from the decision, the more difficult, I can guarantee you, that move, that transition is going to be. If they feel like, all of a sudden they're not going to their home, but they're going to an assisted living that you chose without consulting with them, they're not going to be happy with it. And, it may be difficult to talk to them before the process, but it's going to be really difficult to talk to them if you've already made the decision without them. So my suggestion is you start by having that difficult decision, talking as a family about it, really coming to grips with the fact that you need to be looking for a facility, and then take them with you as you tour the various facilities so that they're really making the choices that will impact their life. So this is Lori Ann Rickard, helping you to spin your healthcare your way.